Hey guys, here we are doing this. So this is Scratch. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to code. So let's just get in. It's not going to be like hardcore coding because it'd take hours to learn. Because it took me like a long time to learn. And I still don't know it, so let's just do a little quick thing. So forever will move 10 steps, which means now you'll do that forever. So let's stop that. And it does that. So I want to make it go to the middle every time though, because it gets annoying. So just turn that to 0, 0. So now, so you can just do that. And if you want that to happen forever, and you want it to repeat, just put a forever block around that. And it just won't work unless you get rid of the middle forever blocks. So that'd work. So then you could do that. And then it'd do this. So that's just a quick thing of coding, like a little quick strip of coding. If you learn it for a long time, then you'll end up getting something like... Sorry about that noise, if you know it. You'd end up getting something like that. Like the school project that I showed you a long time ago. Where you have this and you have to go along. So the reason this works is because it'll have a command saying if a certain key is pressed, go a certain direction. I'll show you that in a minute. So this is what I've done. So I've said when it collides with black, then it should stay down. And it doesn't do anything, and then through that. And obviously it's got like this bit. And you got this. This. And thanks for playing. Now, basically I was saying the simpler way to do that, there's a very simple way to do that. The simplest way to do that would probably be by doing something like this. So you have these, and then you'd have up arrow, that. Then you'd have down arrow. You'd have right arrow, and left arrow. So I'm just going to rearrange that so I actually use it, because I always do it in like a certain order for me. So yes, cool. So first you'll need to, for this right arrow, you'll need to put down move 10 steps. Then you'll need that. And then for this, you don't want to use that. You'll need to use change Y by 10. So for that, it'd be change Y by 10. And down arrow, now this, it'd be minus 10. And for the left arrow, that'd be minus 10. So it goes backwards. Or it does the opposite. So now, when I click, it does what I want it to do, and I can make it go around in anything I like. So you'll notice when I click on that, it'll do that. When I do that, it'll do that. When I do that, it'll do that. When I'll do that, and it's down, up, left, and right. So, or right, left, down, up, and down. And you can also have this, so it points towards your mouse pointer. Or you could have it, so like if you press the up arrow, it points to your mouse pointer. And yeah, you probably get it. And you could have it so he like does that. And if you want to add a silly effect onto him, which I know is very funny, you could do when clicked, forever looks, and then you go here. Then you put change color effect down, and that'll change the color. Then you could change fisheye, which would make him have an absolute huge mouth. Then you have whirl. Then you have pixelate, which just makes him obliterate into pixels. Then you have mosaic, which will just do this. Then you'll have brightness, which won't do much. If you do that, it'll just make him appear and disappear. Same with ghost. They just make him disappear and appear. So, yes, that's that. And one more thing I want to show you. With animation, you will have stuff like... Wait, no. Come on, win. There we go. Something like this. I did that in a video before I did this one. Hey, and I forgot to tell you, I think I didn't say this already. What a great day today's been. Even if you've had a terrible one, it's still a good one. So he opens it. What's that? So basically what I did with that, I made it do next costume because I have about 20 costumes, I think. Yeah, about 23 costumes, and each one was each individual frame. So that's how you do animation, and that's just a little quick overview of how to do coding. And if you want to find out how to do very good coding, go online. Because, yeah, that's where the best tutorials are. And this is my recording setup. Yay! The most complicated thing in the world. No, it's actually... It is quite hard to do. Anyway, see ya.